Welcome to everyone. Let's going to see a problem on number system which is asked in IMO practice paper, but it is common for all examination which is conducted by the state government and central government examination and also the part of bank exams, etc. So now let's see the questions. Which one among the following is a perfect square? They are given us 6 digit numbers and 7 digit number. From those numbers, we have to find which of the following is a perfect square. By seeing numbers, it would be feel the difficulty on the problem. So, but there are some simple conditions for eliminating the options which are not to be correct. Okay, how can we eliminate? Okay, let's check with the unit digit of square number. Perfect square means that's a square number we know. So what are the unit digits of square number? Unit digit of square number. 2 square, what would be the unit digit? 4. 3 squared, what would be the unit digit? 9. 4 square, what would be the unit digit? 6. 5 square, what would be the unit digit? 5. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 1. 10 square, 1. 0. So, apart from the number 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, what are the apart from the number? Unit digit should not be, wait, unit digit of perfect square number should not be. What are the number? This is not coming yet. 2 is not coming. 3 is not coming. 7 is not coming. 8 is not coming. So, if a number is ending with these 4 numbers, this should not be a perfect square. That would be a first condition. Unit digit should not be 2, 3, 7 or 8. Here let's check with the given options. Here option B is to be eliminated because it is end with the unit digit 2. Option C is to be eliminated because the unit digit is 3. Option D is eliminated because unit digit is 8. So likewise these options are eliminated. Let's look at this option. This is easy to figure out whether it is a, let's write like this because it is like a 4,225,000. So we can write it as 4,225 times 1000. Let's see, 1000 is a perfect square. No, it is not a perfect square. It is a 10 cube. It's a perfect cube number. So even though 4225 will be a perfect square, but it is a not a perfect, 10 cube is not a perfect square. So this whole number, that is 4,225,000, would not be a perfect square number because of the 1000. Okay, so it may be the answer. The option A may be the answer. So let's check with the second condition. Condition 2 is digital root must be one of the 0, 1, 2, 4 or 9. What would be the digital root? Digital root means repeatedly when we add some numbers, like add the digits. Like suppose our number is 1, 2, 3. Suppose we are given with a number like this. Let's add the digits first. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What would be the result? It's a 15. And then 15 is a two-digit number. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. So, like the way, add the digits until we get the single digits. That would be known as digital root. Okay. So, shall we? Okay. Okay, shall we look over the given option A, because we need to know it is a perfect square or not. So let's add the digits. Okay, what would be the result? 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10, 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 6, then 22, 28 I think. Then we can add 2 plus 8 which is 10, and then 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So digital root is 1. Digital root must be any one of the number 0, 1, 2, 4 or 9. Then the option to be that number is to a perfect square. Here we get 1. So it must be a perfect square number. So our answer is option. Answer is option 343396. Okay. Okay. Thank you.